Hey guys, today on Project TJ we're replacing this original 2005 model exhaust with this nice shiny Magnaflow cutback system. Stay tuned. My name's Daryl Sheether and welcome to Project TJ. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the way out, as it really helps us out. Today we're installing a cutback system by Magnaflow. It's their street system. It's actually now made under license to Quadratec by the looks of it. I've had my eye on this for a while and it's been just around the $550 US mark. Quadratec's now selling what to me looks like the same system, and the paperwork that comes in the box is the same part number, for $247. Now for a full cutback stainless steel system, that seems pretty good in my books. So I'm not after something overly loud, so I've gone for a fairly large muffler, and I don't want any drone at highway speed, so I'm presuming that this will give me that. A slightly deeper note I'd be more than happy with. There's only 2 bolts on the flange at one end to undo. The rest is just rubber hangers and a clamp around where the 2 sections come together. Looks like all good quality stuff. I've got no qualms so far. With the earlier models, I think they've got a slip joint that you just undo and the whole cutback will come off. With this, so far, it looks as though I'm going to have to drop the transfer case skid slightly to access the 2 bolts, but it still looks like a fairly easy job. So let's get this on. So what I've done is I've loosened off all 6 bolts on either side. I've undone the nuts on the transfer case mount underneath this guard, and I've just dropped this guard on this side, and that gives me access to the 2 bolts that I need. Now I've put some penetrating oil on here and the rubber brackets, which should make it easier to get off. And I've made sure that I can get these off before I've gone too far. So now we should just be able to undo these 2 nuts and take the old system off. Well, trouble's getting it out, so I'm just going to cut the damn thing off. So after battling, trying to get the old exhaust out for a while, the best option ended up was to just cut the damn thing out. For installation ease, we're going to give the hangers a good spray with WD-40. That'll make the new exhaust slip in a lot easier. And now we'll just offer the new system up. Okay, so now we have to slip the rear section on this, so we need to put the supplied clamp on in a fashion that we can do up later on, as such. So this is all fitted now. have had a couple of clearance issues with the hangers, but that's all sorted now. It just needed a bit of twisting down here on the flange connection. We could swivel it around a little bit and still get a good seal, and that seemed to help a lot. At the back we've now got plenty of clearance to the tank on that hanger, and we've got plenty of clearance of the shock. So all in all, a bit of pulling and tugging and twisting and carrying on, but it's worked out quite well. So we'll just put all the bash plates on now, and we can start it up and see what she sounds like. So the moment of truth. Oh, that's definitely nice and yeah. Oh no, that's good. You can definitely tell it's got a system on it now, and it's got no bark so far, which is great. Oh, that sounds good. We need to take it for a drive. Okay, so we've been for a bit of a run in this thing, and I'm really happy with it. If you're after something that's going to be loud and obnoxious and set car alarms off, this isn't the exhaust for you. It's got a bit of a burble. It's deeper than standard, but at cruising speed you can just tell you've not got a standard system on, but there is no drone at this point. So for my application, really happy with it. Now has a slight burble at idle, which I quite like. So the exhaust has turned out really good. Whilst I was shopping, I also bought a Factor 55 Pro hook for the winch, and it's turned out quite nice. Pretty happy with that. That'll give us closed loop winching with the addition of a shackle, which is a lot safer too than just the hook. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time on Project TJ. Bye.